Classification 4, based on the amount of solute dissolved in solution. Amount of solute dissolved in solution. The solutions are classified into three types. Solutions are classified into three types. So here, based on the amount of solute, based on the amount of solute dissolved in solution, the solutions are classified into three types. So these are saturated solution, unsaturated solution. Third one is supersaturated solution. So, okay, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution. So, what is saturated solution? Okay, so clear, student, right? So, here we will take saturated solution. Here we will take a glass beaker. So take 100 ml of water. 100 ml of water. Okay. So add here the temperature of this solution is 27 degrees temperature. The temperature of the solution is 27 degrees temperature. Here we are adding 5 grams of sodium chloride or 5 grams of sugar. Okay, here we are adding 5 grams of sodium chloride, or you can take 5 grams of sugar to this 100 ml of water at 27 degrees temperature. So this sodium chloride or sugar is dissolved in water. Okay, then add some more amount of sodium chloride or sugar. So then you can add some more amount of sodium chloride or sugar. Then so this sugar and sodium chloride is dissolved again. So at certain point we are adding amount of salt and sugar. At certain point no more solute cannot dissolve. For this temperature we can call it as saturated solution. Okay, clear. So means here no more solute cannot dissolve at a given temperature, we can call it as saturated solution. Okay, how we can write the definition of saturated solution? A solution which cannot anymore solute, a solution which anymore solute, a solution which cannot dissolve anymore solute at a given temperature, is known as saturated solution. Okay, clear, student, right? So means which cannot dissolve any more solute at a given temperature. Okay, so we are adding sodium chloride or sugar to this 100 ml of water. So at certain point, so no more amount of solute we are adding, so the solute cannot be dissolved further. So this temperature, no more amount of solute cannot dissolve in this water, then we can call it as a saturated solution. Is it clear? Right. Next. So the second one is unsaturated solution. Right. So here we are taking the same. Here the no more amount of any more solute cannot dissolve here. So here we are increasing the temperature. So here we are increasing the temperature for this saturated solution. Increasing the temperature. So when we are increasing the temperature, some more amount of solute further dissolve. Here for 27 degrees temperature, any more solute cannot dissolve in that water, but when we are increasing the temperature, some more amount of solute we are adding, so these solute particles can be dissolved in water. For that given temperature, we can call it as a unsaturated solution. So how we can write the definition of unsaturated solution? A solution which can dissolve some more amount of solute at a given temperature is known as unsaturated solution. Clear? So when we are increase the temperature of the saturated solution, some more amount of solute particles we are adding, the solute particles are further dissolved. So this temperature we can call as unsaturated. At this temperature we can call it as unsaturated solution. Then the third one is supersaturated solution. Supersaturated solution. So supersaturated solution means nothing but some more amount of at saturated level, the few more amount of solute particles are left over or remains in the undissolved form in the solution when we decrease the temperature. When we are decreasing the temperature, when we increasing the temperature, a saturated solution is converts into unsaturated solution. When we decrease the temperature, a saturated solution is converts into supersaturated solution. Means when we are decrease the temperature of saturated solution slowly, in this saturated solution, the few amounts of solute particle remains left over in the solution. Means it forms some amount of crystals crystals in the solution. Then we can call it as a supersaturated solution. Here, when the saturated solution is converts into unsaturated solution, when we increase the temperature of the saturated solution, the some more amount of solute particle is dissolved in this water. So then we can call it as a unsaturated solution. Means here the saturated solution we can convert into unsaturated solution, and also the saturated solution is converts into supersaturated solution also. Okay, the saturated solution can be converted into unsaturated solution when we increase the temperature, but the saturated solution can be converted into a supersaturated solution when decrease the temperature upon cooling. So when we decrease the temperature means nothing but the solution, the saturated solution is going to be cool. So at this cooling temperature, the few of the solute particle is in the formation of undissolved nature, means it forms some crystals in that solution. So that solution we can call it as a unsaturated solution. Okay, clear. So how we can write the definition? A solution which has excess amount of solute is dissolved in solution than that dissolved in solution than that is required for its saturation at a given temperature is known as is known as super saturated solution. Super saturated solution. Clear? So saturated solution, unsaturated solution, super saturated solution. Okay. So saturated solution means, student, a solution which cannot dissolve any more solute. Okay. So we are adding the few more solute particle to this water, so the solute cannot be dissolved further. So here because the temperature of this solution we are doing at 27 degrees temperature only. So what is unsaturated solution? Here we are increasing the temperature. So when we increase the temperature, a solution which can dissolve some more amount of solute at a given temperature, whatever the temperature we are taking, at that temperature we are adding some more amount of solute, the solute particle can be dissolved in this water. Okay, so what is supersaturated solution? A solution which has excess amount of solute is dissolved in solution than that is required for its saturation at a given temperature. Means when we decrease the temperature of a saturated solution, few of the solute particle cannot be dissolved. So means it is remains in the form of a precipitate or in the formation of a crystals in the solution, then it is called as a supersaturated solution. Clear? Right? The two conversions are there, student. One is a saturated solution can be converted into unsaturated solution when we increase the temperature. A saturated solution can be converted into supersaturated solution upon cooling when we decrease the temperature. So these two parameters are very, very important. Okay.